So today is the day we're gonna be seeing how much animal crackers I can literally fit in my mouth. Okay, so I obviously can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I can fit 10 animals. That's it. But it's actually half a little big. So bye guys.